Hari ini saya kedatangan tamu dari Filipina tuh.
Say hi to citizen.
Hai.
Selamat datang di Indonesia. Ini orang Filipina, guys. Dia bertamu ke Indonesia. Tertarik dengan produk 88.
Ajak ngobrol kan guys.
Do you want to say hi to the citizens?
Hi.
How's your day in HAS Airguns? How is your day here?
Good here
Good.
in headquarters of 88 community.
Maybe you want to say something, or how is your impression by looking our project, our airguns?
They are all good. Like they compete from international market.
Oh, international market.
Guns, beautiful guns.
Beautiful guys. Thank you. How is your impression at Bablastat? That one is Semi Aito.
It's amazing art of gun. It's because the idea came from the real gun, right?
Real gun.
Yeah. Good design, quality, good quality also.
And how is your impression at
And
MH?
there
Maybe.
also the new guns, the
Yes.
M8.
M8.
Guys, better to get this gun because it's what you see in international gun. It's same with this one. Same look, same accuracy. I think. I didn't see it, but I think this is a good gun. The new release of this company. Hope guys you will take this one of gun. Try.
Okay, we have to try it. Ini orang Filipina tertarik guys sama M8 ya. M8.
Adjustable. I think this is the adjustable power, right?
Yes,
Adjustable power. Good quality tank for the M8. So guys, better to have what?
How about try out this one? This is
Also
NBA new black
the
ant.
new black ant.
Oh, you have to try it.
The new design.
Yes.
Powerful.
How is it?
Yeah.
How is it?
Too strong. Hope guys, contact Michelle if you have some questions about the gun. Contact Michelle. And they will tell you about the specification of the guns. What do you like the color? What kind of color do you like? And that's it.
Maybe you want to try to put these things out, this bolt.
Yeah.
Try to blast it again and show them. Okay, show them. Spread it out, yes. How about the blast? Do you like it?
Yeah. There's a recoil.
Recoil, yes.
Too strong.
Strong power, right?
Yeah.
For the new black ant.
Yeah, or the new black one. I have already one of this, but this is the new design.
Yes, this is the new one.
It's very strong. So guys, better to have one of this gun. It's a good quality guns made here. It's totally full CNC machine, right?
Yes, totally full CNC machine. Tuh, bahkan orang luar negeri aja sudah membela-belain ke sini ya guys ya untuk review produk kita sendiri. Orang luar ya dia ya.
Okay.
Thank you,
Thank
bye.
you.